guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to show you guys a quick little Colourpop haul. I definitely want to share. I actually have a lot of this on my face right now, but I was just really excited, and before I start messing it up, I figured I would show you guys. So I do have a bunch more coming in. When I do get them, I will share with you guys so you guys can kind of see. I know there was some things I got in. If you guys follow me on Insta, you guys probably saw it, but I didn't come on here and do a video. It's just like, it just kind of the timing didn't work out, but I wanted to make sure I at least showed this. So first things first, I did pick up the Bretman Wet Palette. Super cute. This is the packaging. I made sure to keep the box. And this is what I have on my eyes today. Oh, I'm so happy they released something that was kind of different. I kind of like the whole, you know, blue eyeshadow. This silver is amazing. The silver's name is Thickums, and it is so beautiful. I didn't foil any of these, by the way. So imagine if I foiled the silver. Oh, God. So gorgeous. I really like this. I like the packaging. It's sleek. It's small. It's really cute. I also did pick up, oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. I also have this on my eyes. This is the, oh my god, I'm wet. This is the Glittery Obsessed ones, and he came out with 2 of them, and I did totally put this on just a little bit, like literally the slightest little bit. You could really go in with this, but I just wanted to just pick it up just a teensy. Super cute. I like this. I put it on my eyes. Doesn't say that you can't. It doesn't exactly, it says for body use only. Well, I put it on my eyes. So, whoops. And the other one is the She Lit one, and this one's so pretty. It's like a red, and these are way bigger than what I thought. Like, these are huge, but this is so pretty. It's like a red with like a gold sparkle, and then the blue has like a blue sparkle with some silver in it. It's just so gorgeous. Love it. I did pick up a backup of my favorite gel eyeliner in the shade Swerve. I've gone through 2 of these, 2 of the black ones I should say, this year, as well as I'm almost done with that burgundy one. But I gotta have this. I actually just finished up my other black one, so I love this. It's the best black eyeliner, hands down, ever. So I really recommend getting this, especially during the 40% off sale. I don't know when you're seeing this, check the date just in case. Next I did pick up a metallic lip. I've been getting more into a shiny lip lately, and I wanted to try some of Colourpop's. I did pick up more, you'll see in the next haul, but this is in the shade Nimbus. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh, it's like this beautiful like burgundy shimmer. Smells nice. I don't know, it's just so pretty, and I love the holiday packaging. Did I hear my cat crying? He's so bad. But I love the holiday packaging on this. Super cute. Really love Colourpop's lip formula. So what I have on right now is actually a new highlighter I just picked up from them. It is the Super Shock Cheek Glitter, and it is in Spellbound. Guys, it is so pretty. It's like this like pinky lavender with like a pink reflect, but it can look white. I don't know, it's just so gorgeous. I feel like especially if you had really fair skin, I highly recommend getting this. It just gives it like that slight pink look, and I just love it. It's so gorgeous. I love their highlighters. It's one of my favorite formulas is Colourpop's. Oh, there's my kitty. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, more will be up. I will definitely share with you guys. I hope you guys have a great new year, and I will see you guys next year. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.